Want to impress your guests with top-notch wine service? Providing impeccable wine service is crucial for enhancing the guest experience in luxury hotels. Let's dive into some practical tips to ensure you're serving with excellence. First, always prepare. Make sure all glassware is spotless and present the wine list with confidence. When taking orders, repeat them back to your guests to avoid any mix-ups. Next, glassware matters. Use the right glass for the right wine. Present the bottle with the label facing out and pour a small amount for the host to taste and approve. Remember, serve ladies first, then gentlemen, and lastly the host. And don't forget, refills are key. Keep red wine on the table with the label out and white wine chilled in an ice bucket. For the perfect pour, hold the bottle by the punt and pour gently. Avoid overfilling the glass. Lastly, offer another bottle or the wine list when the bottle is empty. By following these tips, you'll not only enhance the dining experience, but also showcase your commitment to excellence.
In this video, we'll walk you through the perfect wine service sequence to ensure an exceptional experience for our guests. The wine service begins with the careful preparation. First, select the appropriate wine for the guest. Then, ensure the bottle is at the right temperature. White wines should be chilled, red wines slightly below room temperature.
Good evening, may I present your wine? This is a name of wine from region.
After presenting the wine, carefully remove the cork. Hold it up for the guest to inspect. While this is traditional, it's important to note that the cork's condition can tell you a lot about the wine's quality. Once the cork is inspected, pour a small amount into the guest's glass. This allows them to taste and confirm that the wine is to their liking.
Perfect, thank you.
After the guest approves, pour wine for the rest of the table, starting with the women and continuing in a clockwise manner. Always pour a little less than half of the glass to allow guests to swirl and enjoy the wine's aromas. Once pouring is complete, place the bottle back on the table with the label facing outward for easy identification, and be sure to check back with the guests periodically to see if they need a refill. With these simple steps, you ensure that the wine service enhances the dining experience, adding a touch of elegance and professionalism to every guest's stay. Thank you for watching and enjoy your time at Hospitality TV Rwanda. Title: Please subscribe, like and share videos on screen text.